is NECO question 2025. If x minus 3 is one of the factors of x squared plus 14x minus 51. Find the factor. Find the other factor. Now to do this is very simple. We are going to use the long division. So that is very simple. So let's see. So we have solution. We have x minus 3, then x squared plus 14x minus 51. So I like to use this acronyms. You have daddy, mommy, sister, brother. So we are going to apply this to solve this long division. So follow through. So daddy, that's division. Mommy, multiplication. Sister, we have what? Subtraction. And then brother, bring it down. So let's see. We are going to use the sequence of that acronym. So x in x squared, that will be x. That is daddy. Now mommy, then x times x, that is x squared. Then x times minus 3, that is minus 3x. Now the next step is what? Sister, which is subtraction. We are going to subtract. So x squared minus s squared, that is 0, that is gone. So now we have 14x minus 3x. So minus times minus, that will give us plus. So 14x plus 3x, that's going to give us 17x. And the next step, brother, so bringing down, we bring this down, we have 51. Now you go again. So we divide. So 17x over x, that will give us plus 17. That is plus 17. Now the next step is what? Multiplication. So we are going to multiply this with all this. So 17 times x, that will give us 17x. 17 times minus 3, that will give us minus 51. Minus 51. So the next step is what? Sister, which is what? You are going to subtract. So 17 minus 17x, 17x minus 17x, that is 0, that is gone. So now we have minus 51 minus minus. So minus times minus, that will give us plus. So minus 51 plus 51. So that's gone. That's 0 also. So we can see this is the long division process. And from there, our answer is x plus 17. So if you look at the options, the correct option is option B. So the other factor of this expression is x plus 17. I hope you got that. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.